at a two-step competition.
We're at a two-step competition. You know, I didn't bring a whip out because you know how it is. You know how people.
Y'all know how we had.
Hey, it's cold though. It's so cold.
Fuck. We in New York right now. That episode's good. That's the next clip, y'all. Wait till I pop out with that bitch. Y'all just wait.
They blew the car already. No.
Ya lo quemaron.
No, they got my Ferrari. No.
Yeah, let us know. How you saying H? Show the chat right here.
Fake turbo.
My boy, what up? I don't feel like why.
Hey, you know, we out there like we streaming, but we ain't really streaming. Go, beat them. You gotta beat them, cameraman. You gotta beat them, cameraman. I'm gonna have to wrap it up, no cap. No cap, man.
We gonna have to go get Ray.
Take and we stay.
Hey, let's go get Ray.
Hey, Ray said he lost in the mountains.
Let's go get ready. Let us know what car y'all want to
RT, nigga, that's gas.
Big turbo 210. That's what the fuck I'm talking about.
Hey, chat.
Oh, keep that light on there.
Hey, chat, what are we looking at, chat? Chat, what are we looking at, chat? Hey, wait, it's mine. It's mine.
Nigga, it might be mine.
I'm gonna pretend I'm on Twitch. Hey, thank you for that 5 gift, Jacob. Thank you for that 5.
I don't know what it is, but I know
I want one like that.
I'm sad at Jalen.
Hey, look at the Durango. That's the Durango that we raced. Got that little.
Oh, so that's my dad. He has one.
I should bring my whip up here and start revving it. Once I rev it, that shit should off.
Oh, the bike's running out. It's so cold. Me and the side camera. That just disappears.
Yo, I would have doubled before.
Right? He's not allowed to come up here?
Huh?
Right? He's not allowed to come up here?
Huh. Yeah. He's talking about don't bring my whip up here. I'm not even competition.
Can you ask the wrong guy? Can you not even like that? You asked the wrong guy. Let's not
Hey, we're gonna
hell no.
one more time.
We gotta get a plate.
Yo, inner fucking Seller K.
for me?